Hello there. Must be Thursday, 1:30. Welcome. Hello, and I'm John Kettle from Tommy's Real Estate, making open homes easy for busy people. And today I'm in another Kate Shepherd apartment on level 4, unit 4H, and I'd like to show you around this lovely Kate Shepherd apartment. So we're starting off here, we're in the lounge, and as you can see, we've got some nice space here, plenty of room, and a nice, lovely, open plan kitchen, dining, living area. So we're in the living area now, and we'll make our way through. Now, the thing I like about this floor plan in particular is that it doesn't have a hallway as such, and the bedrooms and bathrooms are off this large area here, so it just makes things a lot more functional. Love the kitchen. We've got plenty of bench space in the kitchen, lots of storage, nice modern appliances, and we've also got the servery here as well. So we call this an entertainer's kitchen, and everything's nice and open and functional, so it looks really good. Now we'll look at the bedrooms, and we'll go into the second bedroom. But that's interesting to call this a second bedroom because it's got an ensuite, so a good sized bedroom. Now, one of the quirky things about this apartment is that the second bedroom's actually got stolen light, so it doesn't actually have an outside window, but to make that work, we've got this curtain here for privacy. But it works really well. It's a really nice idea. The curtain gives you some darkness at night for sleeping, and when you pull it back, it just opens up the whole apartment. So it does work really well. And you've got a really nice, good sized bedroom here. So there's a lovely big queen size bed here. You've got lots of storage here. Two big wardrobe doors there. And then you've got a lovely ensuite for your own privacy. So whether you've got guests or family or flatmates or whatever, it works really well, and a good setup. You've got shower, hand basin and lavatory in here. Now you don't see that sort of thing very often where you've got 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. In fact, I have to say it is somewhat rare, and one of the things that makes this apartment really special. 2 bedrooms with 2 bathrooms is a real nice thing to have in terms of, again, I've used the word functionality. But certainly with people living together, it works well. Now here's the main bathroom with Olympic-sized pool and diving board. No, just kidding. We've got a bath. Now baths are also something that, believe it or not, you don't see in a lot of apartments, certainly showers. So you've got the shower over the bath. A nice setup here. Now what's also good about this bathroom, you can access it from the main bedroom. And here we go, through to the main bedroom. A good sized bedroom. Again, lots of big wardrobe space, lots of space, plenty of room for chest of drawers and things like that. But the thing that makes it extra special as well is that you've got access to the courtyard. Now, we're looking northwest here, so really good afternoon sun, and here we go. Out onto the balcony. So this is a nice little sized balcony. Plenty of room to sit down and read the paper. Sit out here with a glass of wine when the sun's shining. And nice little area, certainly lovely and quiet here on the weekends, which is great. Okay, so we'll do the come back inside, and I'll just go through the facts and figures on this apartment. Now, this is on the market with buyer inquiry over $685,000. It's been sold by way of tender, if not sold prior. Now, I want to make a point about that. It's tender, if not sold prior. If you're looking at the marketing material and you focus on the tender, be aware it's tender, if not sold prior. I'd be very surprised if this apartment went to the tender date. It's a little cracker. One thing I haven't mentioned too, it's 93 square metres, so buyer inquiry over $685,000 and 93 square metres. It's also got a car park, which not every apartment in this building has got a car park. So it's got a car park and it's got a storage locker. So that's actually a real full package there. 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, car park and a storage locker on the market at buy inquiry over $685,000. Now this is a wonderful building here in Cape Shepherd. We've also got some very nice communal facilities here. We've got a lovely plush lobby downstairs, so a wonderful entranceway. You've also got access to the roof. It's a common area up there, so on a lovely, still sunny summer's day, you can certainly go up there and relax in the sunshine there as well. One point too I want to make is one of the key selling points about this apartment is its location. It's located across the street from Parliament. In fact, Parliament's just over here, so it's right in the centre of Wellington. Certainly if anyone's got a government-related job, then it's nice and handy for work. We've got all of the main government head offices around here, so it's very handy to get to and from work. But apart from work, when you're in play mode, you've got the stadium over here, you've got the railway station, bus hub, and you've also got shopping in Lambton Quay. That's all a really quick stroll away. So it's very, very convenient. And did I mention New World at the end of the street? It's really well set up, plenty of nice cafes and things here. And another thing too, which is very handy and very close, is the waterfront. And certainly coming into summer, I can see anyone that's living here trotting down to the waterfront and enjoying the facilities and amenities down there as well. So lovely and central. And I do want to make a comment in terms of thanking the vendor with this apartment. She's got it looking fantastic. It's presented lovely, and certainly the word I use, it's nice and homely. I think certainly anyone could see that here and make it their home as well. So thank you very much for that. All right, I think I've covered everything off. And I hope you've enjoyed our broadcast. A key thing to remember, please, and particularly as it's tender if not sold prior, if you get in contact with me, I'd advise you to give me drop me an email. I've got a very comprehensive information pack, a Dropbox link that I can email you, and we've got everything that you need to know about the building, so you can make an informed decision on the building pretty quickly. You can also send that information to your pack to your bank or your lawyer and get yourself in a position where you're able to actually make an offer relatively quickly. But of course, if you need to get a hold of me, then give me a ring. You can contact me on Facebook too, of course, through Messenger or email. So that's all very good. Now, a couple of other things before I go. Just 2 more things before I go. The first one is, if you want to come and see it for yourself, I do have an open home here this evening. We've got a twilight open home today, this Thursday, at 5:30 till 6 o'clock. So if you're in the area and you're wandering past, please do come in. I'd love to see you. And I've got another open home here on the weekend as well on Sunday. So I think we've got that at from 11 till 11:30 on Sunday morning. So please come and see it for yourself. So I'm sure you'd love it. So there we have it. John Kettle from Tommy's Real Estate, the apartment specialist, making open homes easy for busy people. Thank you very much for tuning in. I look forward to hearing from you. Bye-bye for now.